In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up an abandoned checkout recovery automation using Shopify. If you're running an online store, abandoned carts can be a significant bump in the road. This guide will help you tap into potential sales that might otherwise slip away. Let's get started. First things first, you need to navigate to your Shopify admin. Once you're there, head over to the My Store section. This is where you manage all aspects of your Shopify store, from inventory to marketing. Keep in mind, accessing these sections requires you to be logged in with the appropriate credentials, so just make sure you're already logged into your store's account. Now, in the left-hand panel, you'll see a list of various sections. Move your mouse over to Marketing and click. Diving into the Marketing section opens up a world of opportunities to promote and grow your business. But today we're focusing on a specific feature: automations. Once in the Marketing section, look for the Automations option. This is where Shopify stores a selection of pre-built workflows designed to make your life easier. Automations help you connect with your customers more efficiently, enhancing the growth and operation of your online store. Upon selecting automations, you'll be greeted with various options to choose from. Now, what we want is specifically targeting those pesky abandoned carts, so you're going to click on Recover Abandoned Checkout. This workflow is specifically designed to help win back customers who maybe got distracted or hesitated at the last moment. With the Recover Abandoned Checkout automation, Shopify sends an email reminder to the customer, nudging them to return and complete their purchase. Once you click on Recover Abandoned Checkout, make sure you review the preset email template. Personalizing this email can increase its effectiveness. You might want to add your store's unique voice or include a special offer to incentivize completing the purchase. For example, consider including a discount code or offering free shipping as a way to sweeten the deal. After personalizing, ensure that the automation is active. Double-check any settings or time delays attached to the email send-out. These could range from immediate follow-up after cart abandonment to a reminder after several hours. It's crucial to ensure these settings align with your marketing strategy. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up a crucial automation on your Shopify store. By targeting abandoned carts with a carefully crafted email, you effectively increase the likelihood of converting those missed opportunities into sales. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!